Welcome to a series on common chart patterns used in technical analysis. The focus is on Forex charts since I've already made a series on these patterns for other markets like the stock market. Examine these patterns in action before, during, and after they develop important events on the chart. Understand features and variations associated with each pattern. Watch a variety of situations, including how the patterns can conclude successfully, and see scenarios where they fail to produce their expected movements. Through the use of dozens of real chart examples, we will see advantageous and disadvantageous conditions for the use of chart pattern analysis. There will be a wide selection of currency pairs from various time ranges. So no matter when you watch this or which particular Forex charts you choose to apply chart pattern analysis on, the information presented here can still generally be useful for you.